Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Ethiopia trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Ethiopia trap beat today. When launching your FS video, just bring your mouse on your screen. Right, click on your mouse, then click open to launch your FS video. But for me, I have already launched my FS video, so I'm just going to enter my FS video like this. This is my playlist. This is my channel rack. This is my mixer. So we are going to start on our channel rack here. Meanwhile, we are going to put the mode on party mode. Don't switch it to song mode like this. If it's on party mode like this, I switch to song mode as my cursor is on the screen. That means you are working on your playlist here. Now, this is our channel rack like this. We put it to party mode. That's okay. You have to choose the correct sound to program your beat. So I'm going to click on add. Today I'll be working on this plugin called GMS. That's a plugin. So I'll put my cursor here. I'll press my mouse, the left click button on my mouse, scroll the mouse wheel to channel 6, put my cursor like this, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. Now as you can see, this is my piano roll. This is my piano roll. As you can see, it's not sounding very good, so I'll put my cursor here, plugin options, preset. So I'm just going to click here on randomize. That's it. I'm going to tweak it a little bit. Electro. And I'm working on the preset GMS. This is a plugin. Make sure you can tweak it. You can see the functions. You can just tweak it. Or right click, then click piano roll. Right click, piano roll. The next step, I'm going to click on add here, then click on this plugin called 3 times aux. That is the OSC. 3 times the OSC, 3 times aux. So I'll put my cursor on this empty space, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 7. Put my cursor here, right click, then click piano roll. That's it. Ethiopia trap beat. Now I'm going to be making a slice. Yeah. I'll just add another semitone here. Double click, then click here on slide, then click accept. Let's play it a little bit and hear out how it sounds. Good. Now let's go to our hi-hat. Very simple. Don't forget to subscribe. This is our hi-hat. I'm going to right click, click piano roll. I'm going to program it from 1 to 4, then copy right to bars number 8. Now this is 1. Let's start. After that, I'm going to click on select, click here, left click and hold it, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B. As you can see, right up to bars number 8. Now let's click back, view channel rack. We are working here on our snare. I will right click, then click piano roll. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Another bounce like this. That's okay. Let's go now to the kick. This is how the kick sound. I'm going to left click and hold my left click button on my mouse. Just drag my mouse to channel 1 on my channel rack. Just right click, then click piano roll. I'm in number 5 now, number 6, number 7. And just put it randomly, just put it in here, number 8. That's okay. Now let's click view channel rack. We are working here. I'm going to click on channel 1, click on this effect target, then just turn off the boss knob to right, the boss, the gain right up to 50. Let me just say 95%. That's okay. Now 6 and 7. I'm going to bring down the 7, the 6, turn up the 1, which is my kick. Let's mix our beats now. The 6, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 2 and add the fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 3 and add a fruity parametric EQ2. The 7, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 2, then add the fruity compressor. I'll click on slot 3, add the fruity multiband compressor. That's okay. Now I'll just click here, swap left and right. I'll just click turn on these buttons. The 3, which is the hi-hat, I'm going to turn it right up. Click on slot 1, then click sound goodnizer. I'll click on slot 4, turn on my slot 4, then click on slot 1, add the sound goodnizer, then click on slot 2, add the fruity parametric EQ2. That's okay. That's okay. Now I'll just click swap left and right to the master channel. I'll click here, reverse the polarities like this. That's okay. Now let's click here, view playlist. This is our playlist. We are about to arrange our beat where we have programmed from the channel rack. Now we are in our playlist. Where you have written part 1 on your screen, make sure you use this function on your screen. Master, make sure you master all these functions right up to these tools right up to here. As my mouse is pointing at the screen, know these functions. Where I've written part 1 here, I will right click on my mouse and then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared on the top left corner on your FSU. I'm going to click, before clicking and clicking back, make sure you click on this draw and then click on your kick, click into your playlist, click on your hi-hat, click into your playlist, click on your snare, click into your playlist, click on your first melody, click into your playlist, click on your last melody, then click into your playlist. That's it. After that, I'll click on this select, put my cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight to the left. Another way you can say press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B several times to extend your beat. You can extend it to make it how longer and however you want it to be. That's it. I'm going to click on this draw again, click on the kick, click on the hi-hat, click on my snare. I'll click on my select, put my cursor here, left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left, press Ctrl and B. And then if it's like this, put your cursor, as my cursor is pointing on the screen, I'll put my cursor like this, I will left click and hold it, drag it like this behind, and then put my cursor in front as it's showing left and right. I will left click and hold it, drag it to the right to see the clear view of what you are doing. I'll click on this draw, click on the GMS, click on my outro. I'll click on this 3 times OSC, which is the 3 times OSC, and then click now to my outro. I'm going to put my cursor, right click to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the snare. As you push it, just right click, go back our mixer 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor, right click, then click create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click, then click create automation clip. We are about to spice up the beat. I'll put my cursor here where the part 1 was written. So I'm going to left click and hold it, just scroll a little bit up until this hi-hat come out. I'll click onto the hi-hat, then click here at number 4 bars before the whole beat start, at the semi 4 bars. So I'm going to put my cursor like this as it's pointing left and right. I will left click and hold it, just reduce it a little bit to make sure it fits here, and it fits here at the starting of my outro. Let it fit here, the hi-hat. To create something, you know, the beat is starting, this is where the hi-hat, that is the position, how you can position it however you want. Now I've finished to make the Ethiopian trap beat. Let's listen to the Ethiopian trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I've already finished making the Ethiopian trap beat. See you tomorrow in another video. Goodbye.